Think about peace all around the world. You guys, all around the world. Sing about peace all around the world. All around the world. Sing about mountains. Sing about mountains. Sing about mountains.
We usually think of righting a wrong that we have caused. But sometimes there are situations in life that aren't anybody's fault, but where we can still make a big difference. Sometimes things go wrong with our bodies. My friend had a disease called juvenile diabetes that eventually made his kidneys stop working and made him very sick. Now, there are many illnesses that doctors can just give you medicine for to make you feel better. But in this case, the only way that my friend was going to get well was to get a new kidney. Did you know that we are born with 2 kidneys? They work together to cleanse our blood from impurities. Now, this may sound very strange, but what is so cool is that God designed us so that if we lost one kidney because of illness or an accident, the other remaining kidney would start working even harder to make up for the missing one. So when I heard that my friend needed a new kidney, I decided to give him one of mine. There were people who were excited and glad when I decided to do this, but others were very concerned and even asked why I would want to do such a thing, especially since it wasn't for a relative, my mom or my dad, my husband, sister or brother. Because you see, this would be a very serious operation, and they were a little bit worried. But I knew in my heart that I was the person that God intended to help my friend, to help right this wrong. I knew that it was God's plan for us and that He would take care of us, and so I was not afraid. This is what I told my friends and family that were worried. If you had a chance to do something that could actually save someone's life, wouldn't you do it? Well, the only answer for me was yes. I felt it was the coolest, most wonderful thing that God made me a match for my friend. I felt like the luckiest person in the world, except I wouldn't really call it luck. I would call it the most blessed person in the world. Because you see, it wasn't luck, it was a miracle from God, and I got to be a part of it. You see, when you do the right thing, you don't ever need to be afraid, even though it may be hard or painful for a while, because in the end, you will be very happy and proud that you did the right thing. So, after 6 months of tests and meeting with doctors and lots of praying, we had our surgery, called a kidney transplant. That was a year and a month ago, on December 15th, 2006. Do you want to know how my friend is doing now? Yeah. Would you like to meet him? Yeah. All right, well, I'd like to introduce my other kidney. I'd like to introduce my friend, Donald Prieto. Let's give him a round of applause. Elvis is in the house.
How's everybody doing? Good. Come on, are we alive? Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Tony, number 3. Oh, Lordy. Come on, everybody. What's wrong with me? I feel like a man on the rosy tree. myself acting wise along. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, my hands are shaking and my knees are weak. I can't seem to stand on my own 2 feet. Who do you think when you have such love? I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, please don't ask me what's on my mind. I'm a little mixed up, but I'm feeling fine. When I hear these girls that I love best, you know my heart beats so it scares me to death. She tells me to my head going until I got her lips like a volcano inside. I'm proud to say she's my buttercup. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. My tongue gets tired when I try to speak. My inside shake like a leaf on a tree. There's only one cure for his body and mind. It's a hand that good, that love so fine. Well, she touched my head, what until I got her lips like a volcano inside. I'm proud to say that she's my buttercup. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm all shook up. Thank you. Thank you very much. Lord have mercy, baby. How's everybody doing? We doing okay? Let me tell you, I'm doing great. Thanks to Dottie Stewart for donating her kidney to me.